If your construction business is wearing you down instead of building you up, you're not alone. And you're not the problem. Your systems are. Most contractors are skilled but stressed. Why? Because they're running million-dollar jobs on $100 systems. You're working in the business non-stop. But when's the last time it truly worked for you? They told you hard work leads to success, but without financial control, hustle just leads to burnout. In Blueprints of Success, Timothy Wingate Jr. gives you the roadmap to get your time, money, and sanity back through systems, job costing, and financial clarity. You've built enough for others. Now build for yourself. Get your copy of Blueprints of Success today and take control before chaos controls you.